In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on a Steam account on a Windows PC. If you want to make purchases on Steam more quickly, adding a payment method to your account is a simple setup that only takes a few moments. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed in to the Steam desktop app on your Windows computer and have your payment details ready so the process goes smoothly. Start by looking at the top right corner of the Steam window and clicking your account name. This opens the account menu where you can access settings and account-related options. If you're using the desktop app, this area is usually easy to find near the upper edge of the screen. From that menu, select Account Details. This takes you to the section where Steam stores information related to your account, purchases, and payment settings. If you've never added a payment method before, this is the place where you'll be able to set one up. Once you're in Account Details, look for the Store and Purchase History section. In that area, click Add a Payment Method. This opens the payment setup page where Steam lets you choose how you'd like to pay for games, downloadable content, or wallet funds in the future. Next, choose your preferred payment type. Depending on your region, Steam may offer options such as a credit or debit card, PayPal, Steam Wallet, or other local payment methods. The choices you see can vary by country, so don't worry if your screen looks a little different from someone else's. Just select the option that works best for you. After choosing your payment method, enter the required payment information. What you need to fill in will depend on the option you selected. For example, if you're adding a card, you'll typically need the card details and billing information. If you're using PayPal or another service, Steam may guide you through that provider's sign-in or authorization process. Take your time here and double-check everything for accuracy to avoid errors. When all the information is entered, click Continue or Save to add the payment method to your account. Steam will then process the information, and if everything is correct, the payment method will be linked to your account for future purchases. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method to your Steam account on a Windows PC. As a quick tip, always make sure you're entering payment details only on the official Steam app or website, and keep your account protected with strong security settings. Thanks for watching.